This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to insert the end screen annotations at the end of your YouTube videos. So without further ado, let us start the video. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is go to your dock, go to Safari, go to your YouTube channel, click on Video Manager, go to any video that you want the end screen annotations on, click on Edit, and now go to end screen and annotations. So when you click this for the first time, this is what they introduce you with: promote your content on mobile and desktop, build your viewership with powerful end screens on your videos. These new tool features 5 new end of video elements to promote videos, playlists, channels, websites, and call to subscribe, elements that show across desktop and mobile devices. Easy to use grid and snap to functionality for pro editing. Okay, go. I got it. So, save time and edit like a pro. Next. Add elements to the end screen. Next. Finalize the viewing experience. Next. And you can still see the video's annotations here. Okay. So, done. So, this is annotations. The ability to add or edit annotations ended May 2. So go back to end screen. So I think they just removed annotations. They no longer do that anymore. So now if I go to add element, a video or a play, I can say most recent upload. I'll put this right here in the corner, and I will put a subscribe button right here in the corner, so I don't want my content being missed out on. And then I will just do save. Okay. So now the next time this video actually gets played, you will see the annotations during the last 20 seconds of the video. So if I go back to my videos, now go to a brand new web browser, Google Chrome, and I'll type in youtube.com, take this full screen, and now search for my video. iTunes tutorial, filter today, or just search from my YouTube channel. QuickTime Technology, go to the channel, go to the video, and go right towards the end, and there are the annotations. So the subscribe button and how to download and install Skype on a Mac tutorial 2017. So we can minimize this, cancel this. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for now.